DALL-E is an artificial intelligence system that can create realistic images from a description in normal language. This artificial intelligence was not specifically taught anything. It was not taught what different types of camera angles look like, who Frida Kahlo is, or what a horse looks like. DALL-E studied 650 million images and captions on its own. It uses an advanced neural network algorithm to generate images from text descriptions. In this way, DALL-E can generate images of complex objects and scenarios that have never been seen realistically before. DALL-E is not an application that you can download and use on your computer. It is an artificial intelligence model that runs in the cloud. To access it, you will need to go to the website, labs.openai.com, and register a new account. You will be asked for your cell phone number. Once you have access to DALL-E, you can start using it by describing the image you want to generate. The description can be as detailed or as general as you wish. This description is called a prompt and has a limit of 400 characters. When writing your prompt, think about, what do you want your image to look like? How close do you want the object to look? You can add the angle as well. How much light is in the image, or what does the light look like? Where is the object you are asking for, or what is its environment? And finally, you can add the style of the image or even specifications of the lens that would be used to take the picture. Once you have your prompt, you must send it to the model by clicking on Generate. DALL-E will process the information and generate an image that matches the description. This may take a few seconds or several minutes. When the image is generated, you can download it and use it as you wish. You will always find the images you have generated in your account on the right side of your screen, or if you are in the main menu, on the History button. You can also click on Upload Image to edit, and you will find different ways to edit the original image. You can delete a specific part of the image and add something else. You can extend the image, and you can even upload more images and merge them together.
Use DALL-E to create visual material for your presentations or for your Canvas homepage and create personalized teaching material for your students. To find more information about tools and use cases of artificial intelligence, go to ceddie.tech and click on the Innovation section. And remember that we are at your service at CEDDIE's Zoom connection.